Sara Geronimo goes horseback riding with Matteo Guidicelli in Rizal. The pop star Princess Sara Geronimo and her husband, Matteo Guidicelli, enjoyed quality time in nature as they went horseback riding on their recent trip to Rizal. They enjoy as they tour in a quiet and relaxing place. Stay at Casa Balarillo in Tanay, Rizal. The couple spent time with animals including their pet dogs while walking along a river and horseback riding in the Rizal, Tanay. A horse can also be seen next to Guidicelli in what appears to be a resort. The vacation spot showed the couple playing with their dogs in the river. Sara and Matteo enjoyed their quick vacation with their fur babies and had a wonderful time with nature. The pop star Princess Sara Geronimo and Matteo Guidicelli have been enjoying their married life for almost 2 years.